Hey, what's up mga paps? Welcome to the Ilonggo Dad channel. Welcome sa isa na namang vehicle review. At actually, pump na pump talaga ako sa review na ito dahil ito yung pinaka-inaabangan ko. Ang mahiram at magamit, ang pinaka-astig at ang pinaka-badass na Ford Ranger. Ang Ford Ranger Raptor. Okay, sa review na ito, Tagalog-English tayo para maraming views. Para maraming maka-benefit sa review na ito. As you can see mga paps, sa intro ko, nasa withdrawal stage ako. Obviously, wala na sa possession ko yung Ranger Raptor at talagang na-miss ko talaga ang pag-drive at paggamit ng Ranger Raptor. Nung nasa akin pa yon, I really made sure that I played with the monster. I use it like the way it's designed to be used. Alright, so let's begin the review and let's start with a look. In my opinion, ang Ford Ranger Raptor na siguro ang pinaka-poging pickup truck sa market ngayon. Yung tipong sa tingin pa lang, alam mong special na talaga ito. The Raptor is much wider than its cousin wild truck. Mas beefy siya tingnan, no? Mas muscular. Tapos, it is also longer and higher. You must also know na ang design nito ay hindi lang for aesthetic reasons, but also for performance and functional reasons din. For example, mas malapad ito dahil mas mahaba yung swing arm niya. Tapos yung ginagamit na all-terrain tires dito ay malapad din. So, kailangan malapad siya para ma-accommodate yung mga parts na ganito. And obviously, mataas ito dahil mas malaki yung ground clearance niya for better off-road performance. Tapos, mas malalim din yung wading depth niya. So, base pa lang dyan, commanding na talaga ang presence ng Ranger Raptor sa roads and highways. So, ikaw na bilang driver, you will really feel dominant and confident. Pero, reminder, huwag maging douchebag sa daan ha. Okay? Always follow the traffic rules. Makikita mo talaga na proud si Ford sa monster creation nila na ito dahil talagang nilagay nila yung malaking Ford insignia sa grills. Mas pinatibay ang chassis ng Ranger Raptor. Ang underbody shield nito ay makapal na high-strength steel. It is really made for off-road performance and abuse. Ang Ranger Raptor has the same 2-liter bi-turbo diesel engine. Ito ay may 213 maximum horsepower at 500 maximum torque. It has Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission technology. Tested and proven na talaga ang power delivery nito. Okay, ang suspension system niya naman ay mas advanced. It's really designed for high-speed off-roading. It employs the Fox racing suspension on the front and the rear. Pinagkaiba ng Raptor compared sa ibang pickups in the market is it mainly uses coil spring suspension. And not the more common leaf spring suspension na ginagamit sa maraming pickups ngayon. This means, ang Raptor ay hindi load-bearing pickup, which I will discuss more about later. The Ranger Raptor uses ventilated disc brakes on the front and the rear. Tapos, it demands a 285/70 R17 tires. Now, we go to the interior, the tech, comfort, and convenience. So, we all agree that the Ranger Raptor really looks good on the outside. Fortunately, it also looks just as good on the inside. On the inside, naka-leather seats na siya, just like the wild truck. Pero of course, ang accent nito ay Raptor. Tapos may blue stitching siya, which adds more oomph to the look. Ang steering wheel niya is leather wrap din. As you can see, ang steering wheel niya merong center marker. At nakabukol ang 10 at 2 o'clock niya. This is for better driving grip and handling. Yung red on center marker is very common talaga sa mga racing cars. Ang mga upuan ng Raptor ay body contoured sport seats. They are very comfortable and sporty. Of course, sport seats nga eh. At syempre, because high-tech, naka-power adjust na yung mga upuan. The Ranger Raptor has all the tech and gadgetry of the high-end Ford Ranger line. Of course, expected na yan. Maraming buttons. It definitely feels high-tech sa loob ng Raptor. Halos lahat ng buttons and controls ay nasa steering wheel mo. Tapos, yung standard na touch screen display ay nasa center, where you can also control the AC system and the entertainment system. Dito mo rin makikita ang navigation at backing monitor mo. Sa loob, halos parehos lang sila ng wild truck, except siguro sa sporty seats niya at sa steering wheel. Siguro yung main difference talaga is yung paddle shifters niya, which you can find sa steering wheel. This allows you to have a better connection with your Ranger Raptor, especially when you want to go fast on the highways or off-road. Okay, what else? Yes, it has a sunglass holder. Tapos may 220 plug siya sa likod. Naging useful talaga yan sa trip namin. Diyan kami nagcha-charge ng drone, laptops at cameras namin. You'll never go low bat when you're with your Raptor. Okay, now for the safety, security, and driver assist tech niya. Ang safety and security features ng Ford Raptor at ang driver assist technologies niya ay almost similar lang talaga sa Wildtrak. It has driver, passenger, side, and curtain airbags, so safe kayo. It has front and rear parking assist and sensors. Meron siyang rear view camera which will significantly help you sa reverse parking at backing mo. So, talagang useful yan. You will really need it, especially na malaki at mahaba ang Raptor. May burglar alarm system din siya. Keyless entry na siya at push button na ang start and stop ng engine niya. One major feature ng Ranger Raptor is ang terrain management system niya. So meron siyang preset modes at pipiliin mo ang tamang mode or ang nababagay na mode based sa terrain na tinatahak mo. Meron siyang rock mode, may mud and sand mode, may grassy or snow mode, sports mode, at ang very popular na Baja mode. Because of this Baja racing sa Mexico, ito yung inspirasyon talaga ng Raptor eh. So basically, piliin mo lang ang tamang mode and your driving experience and performance will be optimized sa driving mode na yan. Astig, no? So ayan, basically mga sinabi ko ay ang mga specs ng Ranger Raptor. Now let's go to my opinion about the Raptor based sa aking driving experience. Ang Ranger Raptor, as the name suggests, is a beast of a machine. It really feels torquey and powerful. Okay, we drove it on the highway on automatic and it was great, okay, as expected. Mabilis siya, but the fun really starts when you put it on manual and drive using the paddle shifters. You are really going to feel the full force of the 10-speed transmission niya. So nung sinubukan ko mag-speed driving sa highway using the paddle shifters, man, it was an awesome experience. It really feels like you're driving a sports car or maybe even better. Kasi sa laki ng tires ng Ranger Raptor, hindi mo mararamdaman yung mga imperfections ng daan. Kahit lubak na yung dinadaanan mo, parang wala lang sa Ranger Raptor. Para siyang running back ng American football. Malakas, mabilis at di natitinag. Kudos talaga sa suspension system. Pinasubok ko sa kaibigan ko na medyo speed freak. Man, talagang nag-enjoy siya sa paddle shifting. Okay, speeding aside, yung riding comfort niya is excellent. Well, maybe because of the suspension system. Yung steering niya, electric power assisted. So that means, light ang steering niya. Di siya mabigat. Di siya kasing gaan ng Wildtrak sa steering. Well, maybe because mas malaki yung sapatos ng Raptor. But still, magaan pa rin. It's still light enough for my wife to enjoy driving it. For me, honestly, mas gusto ko yung steering feel ng Raptor. Kasi tamang bigat lang. Now, kung di ka sanay sa malalaking sasakyan, siguradong maninibago ka sa Raptor, especially sa lapad niya. You really have to keep in mind na mas malapad, mas malaki yung sasakyan. Especially kung used ka mag-drive sa mga maliit na kotse. Driving the Raptor on the city roads and highway will really make you feel like a king. No? Parang hari ka talaga ng daan. Nakakadagdag ito ng pogi points at confidence. I just want to make this clear. Ang Ranger Raptor is really made for off-roading talaga. This is where it really shines. So, kulang kung highway lang. I needed to unleash the beast. So, naghanap talaga kami ng kaibigan ko ng off-road location na pwedeng pagdalhan ng tough truck na ito. So, with the help from my friend and his connections, nakahanap kami ng magandang location to play with the Raptor with the supervision pa ng experienced 4x4 off-roader. So, shout out kay Mr. Sobrevega. Thank you for your guidance kag sa location mo. We tried an off-road trail, pero actually kahit wala ng guidance, talagang kakayanin ng Raptor. Walang problema, kayang-kaya ang muddy at uneven terrain. Keep in mind, Hindi ako experienced off-roader and so are my friends. Pero talagang kinaya, walang problema. Pagkatapos nun, ito yung pinaka-enjoyable na part. Nag-drifting kami sa dry ground at sa medyo muddy na terrain. Talagang in-enjoy namin at minaximize ang Ranger Raptor sa pag-drifting. Kahit yung guide namin na off-roader, masyadong bilib sa Raptor kasi sinubukan niya rin eh. Sabi niya, bilib na bilib siya at gusto niya rin bumili ng sarili niyang Ranger Raptor. Imagine, that is coming from an experienced off-roader talaga. Unfortunately, ang di lang namin nagawa is ang mag-high speed talaga off-road, no? Wala kaming enough space or hindi kami nakakita ng location para doon. Sayang talaga. Tapos di rin namin nasubukan na mag-drive sa rocky terrain na may tubig or river. Maganda rin sana subukan yon. But we don't have enough time. Sayang talaga. Maybe soon, no? Sa ulitin. Well, anyway, I'm not complaining. I'm very happy to have the opportunity na talaga to drive and drift the Ranger Raptor. Thank you, Ford. Now, to be fair, i-discuss ko rin ang mga limitations ng Ford Ranger Raptor. Like mentioned kanina, since optimized for speed off-road ang Raptor, iba yung suspension system niya. Di siya gumagamit ng leaf spring suspension like sa ibang pickups at sa wild track. Ibig sabihin, sinacrifice ang payload capacity niya. So, 766 kilograms lang ang load limit niya compared sa over 1 ton ng wild track. Ang towing capacity ng Raptor ay mas mababa rin compared sa wild track. Although decent naman ang kayang ikarga ng Raptor, it is really not meant to be a workhorse like the wild track. It is also not meant for heavy towing. So again, hindi siya workhorse. So kung ang objective mo is to carry heavy loads, maybe because of your business, or use it to pull a trailer, I suggest that you go with the wild track and not the Raptor. Okay? Iba talaga ang purpose ng Raptor. So, here are my final thoughts about the Ranger Raptor. Kaya sinulat ko na lang ito para mas madali. Among pickup trucks here in the Philippines, the Ford Ranger Raptor is a class of its own. Iba talaga siya. Parang di siya nabebelong sa standard mold pag sinabi mong pickup truck. The Ranger Raptor is a beast. Parang pang zombie apocalypse ang tibay nito. The Ford Ranger Raptor is like a hybrid between a sports car and a truck. It is sporty and rugged at the same time. But it also has that Ford refinement. Keep in mind that the Ranger Raptor is a performance vehicle. It is really meant to impress and to be enjoyed. It's a fun and performance truck. Well, of course, ang price point ng Raptor is nasa high end. In my opinion, justified naman. Because nothing in the market can perform the way the Ranger Raptor performs. Matipid ang Raptor sa highway driving. Pero sa city driving, not so much. When you're on the practical side of things, si Ranger Raptor siguro is, well, probably too much for you. But before you decide, no, you must try having fun with it first, no? Hindi pwedeng sabihin mo lang, ay, mahal. You must try to drive it really. For example, ako, I'm a proud practical person. Practical ako na tao. But a few minutes of driving the Raptor, parang napapakompute na ako ng income ko. Well, that speaks for itself, no? Na ang Ford Ranger Raptor is really a desirable truck. Well, kung ayaw mo ng boring na pickup, then the Raptor is for you. Tapos let's say you have a farm, no? Or you live somewhere na off-road. Tapos di mo naman talaga kailangan magkarga ng mabibigat na load. Then, the Ranger Raptor is a good truck for you. If speed and 4x4 off-roading is your hobby, or you want to get into that kind of hobby, then Ranger Raptor is just perfect for you. Last but not least, if gusto mo lang talaga ng sangkatutak na pogi points at maging badass sa daan, then this pickup truck will do it for you. So that's it mga paps. I really hope that this review helps you out. Kag sa mga fellow Ilonggos ko da sa Iloilo, if you are interested in owning a Ford Ranger Raptor, you can just visit the Ford dealership sa Ungkaharo. Contact them using the contact details sa description below. Itsulat ko da. Okay, so that ends my review of the amazing truck, which is the Ford Ranger Raptor. I hope I can do more reviews like this for you guys. But for now, Ilonggo Dad!